Come to Port Helicopter Explainer. This is a special edition that comes to you because you are traveling all the way to the village. Is your village in Uyoma? Is your village in Masai Land? Is your village in Garissa? Is your village in Nyeri? Is your village in Nyamira? Is your village in Makueni? What does the law talk about traffic rules and traffic actions? Today we are looking at Chapter 403 of the laws of this country so that you understand critical issues that deal with matters, traffic. Let us deal with first the issue of ownership of vehicles. Very many people buy vehicles, but they don't change the registration details. If an accident happens and you are the one who bought the vehicle and you never transferred that vehicle to the one who you bought from, whenever an accident happens, it is you, the registered owner, who will be arrested, who will be charged, and therefore you have a duty to register your vehicle. Number two, when you are the owner of a vehicle, especially a public service vehicle, you are required by law to keep all the necessary records of the driver. And once he causes an accident, they will come for the registered owner of the vehicle. Therefore, it is your duty to keep one, a copy of the driving license of your driver, two, a copy of his national identity card, and a copy of the good certificate, and a copy of the badge that he has, that is the public service vehicle badge. Three, once you are the owner of the vehicle, any vehicle that is taken to be driven, it is assumed you gave consent for that vehicle. So if an accident happens, you will not say that I was not aware that my vehicle was taken. For example, the Gen Zs, your children, are likely to pick your car when you are dead asleep and disappear to a club. They drink, all of a sudden they cause an accident either when they are going or coming back. Then the registered owner of the vehicle will carry those issues. Number four, for you who is a registered public service vehicle owner, ensure that your vehicle is insured. That is as pursuant to Section 403. There are two ways of insuring a vehicle to ensure liability does not pass to you. One, a comprehensive insurance cover. Most of the matatus and public service vehicles that are on loan are normally insured by the bank. If any issue arises, then liability, the damages, and the expenses will be paid by the insurance. Number two, if your vehicle is insured by a third party, remember the law of insurance changed. The maximum the insurance will pay is 3 million shillings. For those ones who are traveling on public service vehicle, know that that vehicle is insured to a maximum of 3 million shillings. Any injuries, any damages above 3 million shillings, you will have to pursue the registered owner of the vehicle. So the burden does not shift to the insurance because you are there. Fourth, in claims of compensation and damages whenever an accident happens, ensure that once the police come to the scene of the accident, liability does not shift or the blame does not shift to your driver. If your driver is found to have caused this problem, then you will carry that burden alone. Lastly, if you are the vehicle owner, make sure the vehicle that is on the road is roadworthy. What does that mean? Section 403 says the vehicle must be at least inspected annually and given a certificate of roadworthiness. that failure to inspect the vehicle, if the vehicle at the time of the accident is found to have been road unworthy, then the insurance will not pay. Two, the vehicle. Very many vehicle owners have taken vehicles that are not in the condition to be on the road. That one, the insurance will not pay. For the passengers who are getting into public service vehicles today, tomorrow, and back, ensure that you are entering into a vehicle that has all those requirements that we have taught you. If your vehicle, if you are a passenger and you are not following those directions that I've issued, then whenever an accident happens, the vehicle will not be. Lastly, if the vehicle, the driver is drunk, if the driver is has used drugs, then definitely, as a passenger, you are now at risk, because if an accident happens, that driver, the insurance will not pay you for entering. So as you enter into the vehicle, ensure that the driver is alert, he's sober. Check also whether he has a PSV driving license and all those issues that we have talked about. Court Helicopter News will continue advising you as what the law of the Traffic Act provides for. Keep safe. Wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2026.